Ever pondered the current state of renewable energy and how wind turbines fit into the picture? Well, today we delve into the fascinating world of vertical axis wind turbines, or VATs for short. These aren't your average windmills. Instead, they're innovative machines that are changing the face of renewable energy. So what exactly is a VAT? Picture a windmill, but instead of the traditional horizontal axis, imagine the rotor shaft and blades spinning around a vertical axis. That's the essence of a VAT. But how does this unique design work? Well, the secret lies in the wind. The wind doesn't always blow from the same direction, right? So a VAT's design allows it to capture wind from all directions. This omnidirectional wind capture sets VATs apart from their horizontal counterparts. There's no need for VATs to pivot to face the wind. They're always ready to harness its power. Now let's break down how VATs operate. The wind blows against the turbine's blades, causing them to spin around the central vertical axis. This movement generates kinetic energy, which then converts into electrical energy via the generator housed within the turbine. It's this electricity that powers our homes, businesses, and even entire cities. But that's not all. VATs also offer scalability. Their unique design allows them to be easily scaled up to harness more wind or scaled down for smaller applications. This flexibility makes them a versatile option for a range of settings, from urban rooftops to sprawling wind farms. And let's not forget about the reduced noise. With traditional turbines, the rapid spinning of the blades can generate quite a bit of noise. However, due to the slower rotation speed of VATs, they produce less noise, making them more suitable for residential areas. Summing it all up, VATs are paving the way for a more sustainable future. With their unique design, they capture wind from all directions, offer scalability, and operate with reduced noise. They're not just another type of wind turbine. They're a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to harnessing the power of nature in a sustainable way. So, next time you see a wind turbine spinning in the breeze, take a moment to appreciate the technology and innovation that goes into harnessing the power of the wind. And who knows? Perhaps the future of renewable energy is not just blowing in the wind, but spinning around a vertical axis.